change the flow of change the flow of the program jump and call instructions change the flow of the program by changing the contents of program counter full stop. A jump permanently changes the program flow whereas call temporarily changes the program flow to allow another part of the program to run. Here we can make the difference between jump and call. What exactly the jump? If I am going to use jump instruction, it will be permanently changes the program flow. It will be going to change some other location in the program and it will be going to execute. But in the case of call instruction, what exactly the call? The program flow will be allow another part of the program to run. Okay, in the lengthy program, one program, it will be going to allow some other program to execute. That is the difference between jump and call instruction. Now we'll discuss about jump instruction. Jump instructions are classified into, make a note, jump instructions are classified into conditional jump and unconditional. First one conditional jump, second one unconditional jump. Okay, next, the jump instruction which changes the program flow, if certain conditions exists, is called as conditional jump. I will repeat once. The jump instruction which changes the program flow if certain condition exists is called conditional jump. Next one, the jump instruction which changes the program flow irrespective of the condition, in bracket, it not depends on any condition. It is not depends on any condition, is called unconditional jump. I will repeat once. The jump instruction which changes the program flow irrespective of the condition. It is not depends on the it not depends on any condition, is called unconditional jump. Next, compare instruction. Compare instruction. Usually compare instruction means CJNE. CJNE. In the bracket, write compare and jump. Compare and jump if not equal. If not equal. That is the full form for the CJNE. Compare and jump if not equal. Okay. Take the definition for this. This instruction compares the magnitude of the first two operands. Magnitude of the first two operands. And changes program flow. If their values are not equal. I will repeat once. This instruction compares the magnitude of the first two operands and changes program flow if their values are not equal. If their values are not equal. ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ರಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ. ಚಂದನ್ ಆರ್ವಿ. Okay. Next, make a note. The instructions that changes the program flow are first one jump on bit condition. First one jump on bit condition. Second one compare byte and jump if not equal. Next one decrement byte and jump if 0 Next one jump unconditionally. Next one call a subroutine. And the last one return from a subroutine. These are the instructions that will be going to change the program flow. Based on these instructions, the program flow will be changed. Okay. Take next one. First instruction. We'll start with the first instruction. JB bit comma relative address. Relative means relative address. REL means relative address. Okay. The function is jump if bit set. This the function of this instruction. JB bit means jump if bit set. jump if bit set. Take the description for this instruction. Description. If the indicated bit is 1, it jumps to the 1 minute. Description. If the indicated bit is 1, jump to the address indicated. Otherwise, proceed with the next instruction. Next instruction. The bit tested is not modified. Okay. Take the operation flow of operation. Here it will be going to store with a program counter, where always program counter will be add with a 3. If bit is equal to 1, then program counter will be stored with a program counter plus relative address. Okay. See, I will write the example. I'm going to take some address 0 300 0 301 0 302 0 303 not 0 304. Here I will write the instruction. Jump if bit set. Accumulator dot 0 down. Jump if bit set accumulator dot 0 to down. I'm going to write down here. It will be going to this location, down at increment or not. Okay. This is an example. We'll discuss before execution and after execution. Program counter, initially it will be started at this point. 0300 H is the address program counter. If accumulator dot 0 is equal to 1, okay, then accumulator dot 0 is equal to 1 means before execution accumulator dot 0 is equal to 1. Jump if bit set accumulator dot 0 will be 1 already. Okay, that is why it will be going to set. Then it will be going to jump. Where it will be going to jump? This is the label. Across here it will be going to jump. Across this point it will be going to jump. So that now the program counter will be 0 plus 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. At this point it will be going to jump. 0, 3, 0, 3. Okay. Next example. Can you try this example? Second one, if my program counter is equal to 0300H, if accumulator dot 0 is equal to 0. What is the output after execution? Read the description. Accumulator dot 0, it will not be set. This will be reset already. No set means it will be continue with the next instruction. The program counter will be next incremented program counter, that will be 0301. Got the difference? Got the difference? When it is set
Yes,
bit,
sir.
when it will not be set. That is the difference between these two instructions. This down, increment or not, don't consider this one. See, once if the instruction will be set, then the program will be starts from here. It will not be executed in the next line, so that it will be executed from this, means from this point. From this point it will be going to execute. It means before in the R0, if it is 1, increment R0 will be makes 2. Again next instruction, like that the program will be flow. Got everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, next, make a note. Next, make a note. First one, if condition is false, then processor executes next instruction. Processor executes next instruction. Second point, if condition is true, then processor jumps to the specified address or label. If condition is true, then processor jumps to the specified address or label and executes that address instruction. Executes that address instruction. Take a simple example for that. Set bit port 1.5 here, jump if bit set port 1.5 comma here, move port 2.55H. These are some similar examples. Jump if bit accumulator dot 0 comma next, increment A up to next decrement A, set bit port 1.4. Here down next, these are the labels. Here JB port 1.4, comma here move A, comma B. These are the some similar examples. Okay, today we'll have only one instruction. From next class we'll start with a other instructions, because some many students are absent because of fees paid. Okay, answer your attendance. Abashri. Dhanush. Krishna. Okay, thank you. We'll continue in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.